Division Outstanding Elementary Teacher. Our awardee is a recipient of the Kilong Pilipino Award 2024 for his outstanding contribution for culture and arts. Champion coach in Division School's press conference in editorial cartooning Filipino and represented the division at Regional School's press conference. A winning coach last city athletic meet in chess, individual and team category, and one of his players represented the division in Central Luzon Regional Athletic Meet on the same event. A division and regional writer, illustrator, layout artist, and evaluator of all supplementary learning materials from 2019 up to present. A division resource speaker in developing storybooks, SLM, self-learning kit, and other printed learning materials. A winning coach in different mathematics competition like Rubik's Cube, Math Trail, and Quiz Bee. A son. A husband. A father. A family man. And easy to work with coworkers.
Kasi as a teacher, every day is a challenge. But for me, in my experience, siguro kung paano mo ibabalanse yung time mo sa pagtuturo tsaka sa pag-develop nitong mga supplementary materials. Mahalaga dito yung support system ng family, ng school head mo, tsaka ng co-workers. Kasi pag nalaman nila kung ano at para saan yung ginagawa mo, sila na mismo yung magpupush sa'yo pataas. Kalawa, yung passion mo. Kasi kapag may passion ka, kapag mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, you will not feel that you are working anymore.